Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will be reviewing these fantastic Persol 3108S sunglasses for men. Persol glasses have been handmade in Italy since 1917. They are an iconic and stylish brand whose name derives from the Italian per il sole, which means for the sun. Originally, these glasses were made to meet the needs of early aviators and racecar drivers. These glasses belong to the Typewriter edition, which is a range of glasses taking inspiration from the golden age of writing and the wonderfully crafted machines whose keys were pounded by the greatest writers of the 20th century. These glasses are wonderfully elegant and they contain full rim, oval acetate frames and a metal bridge that is reminiscent of a typewriter key. They have cool Meflecto stems that offer a great fit and look awesome. The lenses in these glasses are small at just 47mm, but they are also available with 49mm lenses. The lenses are in crystal, which offers excellent clarity and contrast. You can shop these glasses by clicking the link in the top left of the screen or even the icon over there. That's all for this vid. Coming up are some more links. Please follow them to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date with all the latest news, reviews and trends. Thank you for watching.